Hello friends, this is Jigsawcard Solitaire puzzle game chapter 2 level 27 hard it is comes under chapter 2 54.77%. Okay, so it's like where to begin, right? Nice. I feel as if here is no move. Very complicated it is. Yes, 6 times 6 36. So let's focus on the lines. One. Oh, I thought didn't match, but it did match. Hmm. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I feel a different pressure. Should feel because that is why it is a. No, it's pathetic, right? Let's go here. What? Even here? Okay, this one is done. I think this one should come here. I ran after that round circle and I failed. Here is another one. This larger chunk go here. Wow. Makes happy, no, makes feel happy. Wow, wow, wow. Lots of wow. There would be sound. I just muted it. Do you want me unmute? Maybe in another one. Yes. All right. So let's focus on the table and these things. Let's push a little up. So that part of table. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Circle up the disc. Didn't match. Okay, so this one should be here. Okay, last piece, where is that? Here it is. Oh, beautiful. And this whatever it is called should be here. All right, I got it. So it is an ancient, not ancient, not ancient, but long, yeah, a little previous times music. It is somewhere in movies we would see, right? Oh my goodness, is it here? Two times I got confused. Not with this either. Come on. So if we see them being connected, then it is good to not interfere. What is this? All right, the tiny lines, right? What? Not matched? Unbelievable. Yeah, I think this is from here. So here is one piece needed. This one had to be not matching. Okay, matched. And then this one should be here. No, not that easy. Wow. Now I feel a little. So this must be here. Looks like the shape is appearing. Okay, this should be here. At first it is like we know nothing, right? Slowly, once we start working, and it slowly takes the shape. Here it is. Yes, it was here. This definitely here. Very nice. So this darker part should be here, and the disc and a little part of it here. Another small branch here, and what? And this one go a little up. Wow, big victory!